Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
And I am Robert. Today, we are going to have a simple English conversation about talking about the weather.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Good morning, Robert. It is a beautiful day today.
Good morning, Vanessa. Yes, the sky is so blue this morning.
I like this kind of weather. It feels fresh and bright.
Me too. It makes me want to go outside.
Did you check the weather forecast today?
Yes, I did. It says it will be sunny in the morning.
That sounds nice. What about the afternoon?
Forecast says it may rain in the afternoon.
Oh, really? Then I should bring an umbrella.
Good idea. The weather can change very fast.
Yes, sometimes the morning is sunny and the afternoon is rainy.
That happens a lot here. The sky likes surprises.
The sky likes surprises, but my hair does not.
I understand rain can make hair very dramatic.
Exactly. My hair becomes a small cloud.
Small clouds sounds cute, but maybe not on your head.
What is the temperature today?
It is about 26 degrees now. It is warm but not too hot.
That is perfect weather for a walk.
Yes, it is. I like walking when the air is not too hot.
Do you like hot weather?
Not really. I get tired quickly when it is too hot.
Me too. Very hot weather makes me slow.
Yes, my body says, please stop moving.
Do you drink more water on hot days?
Yes, I do. I always carry a water bottle.
That is smart. Water is very important in hot weather.
Yes, and cold water feels like a gift.
A very simple and wonderful gift.
Exactly. My favorite kind of gift on a hot day.
Do you like cold weather?
Sometimes, yes, I like cool weather, but not freezing weather.
I agree. Cool weather is nice, but very cold weather is hard.
When it is very cold, I wear many layers.
How many layers do you wear?
Sometimes 3 or 4. I look like a walking blanket.
A walking blanket sounds very warm.
Yes, very warm, but moving is not easy.
I like wearing sweaters when it is cold.
Me too. A soft sweater makes cold weather better.
What about rainy weather? Do you like rain?
I like rain when I am at home. I do not like rain when I am outside.
That is exactly how I feel. Rain at home is peaceful.
Yes, I like listening to rain from my room.
It makes me want to drink tea and read a book.
That sounds perfect. Rain and tea are good friends.
But rain and shoes are not good friends.
No, they are not. Wet shoes can ruin the whole day.
Do you have rain boots?
No, I do not. I just walk carefully and hope for the best.
That is not a strong rain plan.
I know. My rain plan needs improvement.
Do you often forget your umbrella?
Sometimes, yes. I remember it after the rain starts.
That is the worst time to remember an umbrella.
Yes, it is. Then I look at the sky and feel betrayed.
The sky does not say sorry.
No, it just rains more.
Do you check the weather app every day?
I check it most mornings. But sometimes I forget.
I check it before I choose my clothes.
That is smart. Clothes and weather should work together.
Yes, I do not want to wear a thick jacket on a hot day.
That sounds uncomfortable. A hot jacket is a personal sauna.
A personal sauna is not good for work.
No, it is not. It makes meetings much harder.
What do you wear on rainy days?
I usually wear a light jacket and dark shoes.
That sounds practical. Light colors can get dirty easily.
Yes, white shoes in rain are a dangerous team.
I learned that lesson last month.
What happened?
I wore white shoes and it rained hard. My shoes looked very sad.
Poor shoes. They were not ready for battle.
No, they were not. Now I check the forecast carefully.
Good lesson. Weather teaches us things.
Do you like windy weather?
A little wind is nice. Strong wind is not fun.
Strong wind makes everything difficult.
Yes, my umbrella becomes a flying animal.
That is true. Umbrellas are not brave in strong wind.
My umbrella once turned inside out. It looked very confused.
I have seen that before. It is a sad umbrella moment.
Yes, and everyone can see it happen.
That is why I like a raincoat on windy days.
That is smart. A raincoat cannot fly away as easily.
Do you like cloudy days?
Yes, sometimes cloudy days feel calm to me.
I like cloudy days when they are not too dark.
Same here. A little cloud is fine, but dark clouds look serious.
Dark clouds always look like they have big news.
Yes, and the news is usually rain.
Do you like sunny weather more than cloudy weather?
I like sunny weather in the morning. It gives me energy.
I agree. Morning sunshine makes the day feel better.
But very strong sun makes me want to hide.
Yes, afternoon sun can be too much.
On hot afternoons, I look for shade like a cat.
A smart cat shade is very important.
Yes, shade is my best friend in summer.
Speaking of summer, do you like summer weather?
I like summer mornings and summer evenings. I do not love summer noon.
That makes sense. Noon can be very hot.
Yes, at noon, the sun is doing its best work.
Maybe too much work.
Yes, the sun can take a short break.
What do you like to do on sunny weekends?
I like to go to the park or sit at a cafe.
That sounds nice. I like walking near the river.
Walking near water feels peaceful.
Yes, and there is usually a cool breeze.
A cool breeze is perfect. It feels like nature has a fan.
A nature fan sounds wonderful.
Yes, and it does not need electricity.
What do you do when the weather is bad on the weekend?
I stay home and watch movies. Bad weather is good movie weather.
I like that. Rainy days are great for movies.
Yes, and also for soup.
Soup is perfect on a rainy day.
Warm soup and a good movie can fix a gray day.
That sounds like a very good plan.
It is one of my best rainy day plans.
Do you ever go out in the rain just for fun?
Sometimes, yes, light rain can be nice for a short walk.
I agree. Light rain feels soft and calm.
But heavy rain is different. Heavy rain says, go home now.
Heavy rain is very bossy.
Yes, and I listen to it.
Do you like thunderstorms?
Not really. Thunder is too loud for me.
I understand. Thunder can be scary at night.
Yes, at night it sounds much bigger.
When there is thunder, I like to stay inside.
Me too. Inside is the best place during a storm.
Do you close the windows when it rains?
Yes, I do. I learned that after one wet mistake.
What happened?
I left a window open and rain came into my room.
Oh no, was your floor wet?
Yes, very wet. My socks found a small lake.
That is a bad surprise for socks.
Yes, they were not happy socks.
Now you check the windows before it rains.
Yes, I do. Weather made me smarter.
Do you ever talk about the weather with strangers?
Yes, sometimes it is an easy way to start a conversation.
That is true. You can say, nice weather today.
Or you can say, it looks like rain.
Yes, those are simple and friendly.
Weather is safe to talk about. Everyone has weather.
That is a funny but true sentence.
Yes, we all look at the same sky.
What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is cool and sunny. It feels comfortable.
That is my favorite too. Cool. Sunny weather is perfect.
It is good for walking, working, and relaxing.
Yes, it is good for almost everything.
Maybe not for swimming. I like swimming when it is hot.
Good point. Hot weather is better for swimming.
And sunny weather is good for drying clothes.
That is very practical. You are thinking like an adult.
Thank you, clean, dry clothes make me happy.
Do you check the weather before doing laundry?
Yes, I do. Rainy laundry days are not good.
I know, clothes take forever to dry when it rains.
Yes, they just sit there and stay wet.
Do you think the weather changes your mood?
Yes, sometimes sunny days make me feel more active.
Same for me. Rainy days make me quieter.
Quiet can be nice too. Rainy days are good for slow thinking.
That is a nice way to say it.
Thank you. The weather makes me poetic sometimes.
Poetic Robert appears when the clouds arrive.
Yes, but hungry Robert appears at lunchtime.
Speaking of lunch, should we eat outside today?
Maybe yes, the weather is nice right now.
But if it rains later, we should choose a place with a roof.
Good idea. Food tastes better when it is not wet.
Very true. Rain soup is not a meal.
No, thank you. I prefer normal soup.
Let's go to the cafe near the park. It has outdoor seats and indoor seats.
Perfect. We can sit outside if the sky behaves.
If the sky does not behave, we can move inside.
That is a safe plan. I like safe weather plans.
Do you have your umbrella now?
Yes, I do. It is in my bag today.
Good. Today, Robert is ready for the weather.
Yes, I am ready. The sky cannot surprise me too much.
That's our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments. What is the weather like today where you live?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
You can write, "It is sunny today," or "It is raining today."
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing.
Keep practicing a little every day.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.